So the thing you have to ask the people on Scambridge, the website you were talking about, is how many of them are not working? Because people in work are very, very different to the people who are out of work, who are feeling their confidence, their contacts, their network, all the certainty they had about how good they know they are, kind of ebbing away. And then, is there something wrong with me that I'm not getting a job? The answer is there's a problem with the economy, and we have to try and help people get back to work. But so JobBridge is not for everybody, but for a lot of the people, and there's independent evidence to show it, for a lot of the people who do it, it has been a pathway back to work, and that's why we call the whole back to work process pathways. And not everybody is going to have the same pathway. And I've said several times in the Dáil, the people who are critical and who bring stuff in JobBridge to our attention, thank you very much, because we look at all the complaints in detail. If we find that an employer in some way has been abusing the system, we don't allow that employer renew or take another intern.